Also breaking right now at noon, a Durham man is now off death row. Convicted murderer Isaac Jackson Stroud just got his sentence commuted. He initially planned to fight using the Racial Justice Act, but in the end, race was not the determining factor. Tamara Gibbs joins us live from the Durham County Courthouse with more on that. Tamara?
Well, instead of race, Stroud's attorneys argue that it's his mental health disorder that was the real issue. It could have kept him off of death row.
Consoled by his attorneys, convicted killer Isaac Jackson Stroud learns he's no longer a death row inmate, but
not happy with hearing that he's going to spend the rest of his life in prison. He's happy to be off death row.
Stroud was convicted in the 1993 beating death of his longtime girlfriend, Jocelyn Mitchell, a Durham school teacher. His attorneys originally sought to commute his death sentence under the state's new Racial Justice Act. Instead, they made the case that it was Stroud's mental health that never made him eligible for the death penalty under the law.
According to constitutional law, you cannot execute a person who does not understand the reasons for the execution.
In this case, Durham's district attorney agreed, along with the victim's family.
The family, after so much time, basically just wanted to be sure that Mr. Stroud was not released from prison in his lifetime.
Stroud was poised to argue bias on the part of race at a hearing next month. His attorneys say they're confident he would have prevailed. Still, today's outcome highlights the controversial Racial Justice Act, according to Superior Court Judge Orlando Hudson.
This is a very ugly case, a very difficult case for the people of Durham, and obviously for Jocelyn Mitchell and her family. These are not easy issues. The death penalty is not an easy issue. The Racial Justice Act teaches us that there are high emotions on both sides.
Well, after the judge's ruling, guards escorted Stroud back to state prison, this time for a life sentence plus an additional 30 years. Barbara?
Tamara Gibbs, live outside the Durham County Courthouse. Thank you.